Alright guys, so Chainbase network actually raised over $15 million, and this actually came from top tier funds, and there's actually an airdrop which you can participate on right now, and the airdrop participation won't cost you any single thing, and it is very simple and straightforward. Make sure you watch this video to the end to actually understand everything about Chainbase network and also how you can be able to participate on their airdrop, which is very simple, and you can do this under less than 10 minutes guys. So right now guys, you can go ahead and read all this if you want to, but I'm going to be focusing mostly on the airdrop part of the whole thing because that's our major concern right here. So taking you to our Twitter handle or the X handle, just like I normally do, you can see right here guys, to prove that this is actually a very nice project, and also you should not joke with it for any reason. Let me just prove to you guys something right here. If I check out the people that are following them, which I'm following as well, you can see that they are being followed by Perry Network, and you can see Alt Layer and Space ID. You can see ton of all people are following this project, and you can see gaming and a lot of other top crypto projects, even Coinex and all that, are following this project. This to some extent proves that Chainbase is actually here for real business, and they are not the type of project that will play with us and leave us stranded. So guys, there are a lot of things about this airdrop, but let me go straight into the airdrop part of it and explain to you guys how you can be able to participate on it and stand a very good ground of earning the airdrop. So the first thing that I actually need to do right now is simply pay close attention, because if you pay close attention, you will understand this properly. So welcome to this channel. I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel guys, I talk about cryptocurrency airdrop, and also I help you resolve most of your crypto related problem, and I also expose you to a lot of opportunities that we're gonna be making you money in this crypto space. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, it actually means the whole world to me. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video you are watching right now to actually support me. And also, we have a tone giveaway which we run on this channel. All you need to do to be part of it is very simple. Simply make sure you like this video and have subscribed to our YouTube channel, and then go ahead and share this video to any social media platform at all of your choice. Then you go ahead and put your comments on the comment section, because from the comment section is where we pick our winners and announce them on our Telegram channel. So right now, let's get started with the airdrop of today, which is Chainbase. So you can see here they say that this is the world's largest omni-chain data network, and this literally means that they are doing things that they are more of a web3 interaction layer infrastructure, offering API node services and data cloud storage, and a whole lot of other things follows up guys. So right now guys, let's go straight on the first step of participating on the airdrop. It is very simple guys. You know, I normally use Mrs. Browser, so if you don't have Mrs. Browser yet, then you are missing out. Go ahead and download Mrs. Browser, and make sure that you have installed Metamask extension and a whole lot of other wallet extension. This is going to be helping you interact with a lot of crypto airdrop, right? So if you have downloaded the Mrs. Browser, you go ahead and open it up real quick. So this is my Mrs. Browser here, and if I should show you my extensions, these are my extensions right here that I use to interact with any type of crypto airdrop. Okay, so the first thing that you actually need to do right here is to simply go to the video description. You are going to be seeing the link to this airdrop right there. Copy the link from the video description and come over here to your Mrs. Browser. You go ahead and paste the link right there, then you search for it. Once the website opens up like this, what you need to do first is to simply go ahead and of course scroll down to the bottom. You are going to be seeing connect wallet. So when you click on connect wallet like this, then list of wallets is going to show up. You of course select Metamask or select any other wallet that's available to you, but I strongly recommend Metamask because that's the EVM wallet that we all know. So right now I need to click on connect right now, and of course you can see I then need to, you know, sign in this transaction. I mean, sign the connection right now. You can see it's popping up real quick. Make sure you have a very good network while you're doing this so that you won't encounter error. So right now you click on confirm. So I'm going to be confirming this connection right now, and right now we need to verify whether I'm a human or I'm a robot. All right, so right now this is going to be taking a few seconds right now, and I need to actually check this up. Immediately it pops up like this, then I need to check it up right now. Right now you can see welcome new adventurer. So right now guys, your referral code is going to be here automatically, but if you don't see any referral code right here, check the video description. You are going to be seeing the referral code on our video description guys. So right now I have to click on go right now. All right guys, so and this is it right now. So and once you get access directly, then you need to actually scroll down until you see something like verify trusted media score. That's the first thing you actually recommend you to do. You go ahead and click on go right now. So right right now this is going to be taking you to another website where you need to do some stuff right here. Remember, the more tasks that you actually complete, the higher your airdrop allocation. So right now I would recommend you to read all this by yourself. Then you scroll down right this until you see how everything works. Then you click on connect wallet. You select Metamask as well, because that's what we have been using right now. And of course this is going to be loading up. It's going to be asking you for a connection. You go ahead and of course approve it. So right now guys, this is it right now, and you need to actually sign some little message right now guys. So this is it. You need to click on confirm, and over here guys, your wallet will be connected successfully guys. And over here, the last step, which is simply for you to go ahead and of course confirm your signature request. And this is it right now, and you can see our wallet is now, sorry, my bad, our wallet is now successfully connected right now. So right now you need to go ahead and click on switch to linear right this, and of course this is going to be switching our wallet. And of course this is we need to click on submit. Okay, so and once you click on submit, you can see how straightforward it is. So right now we need to actually approve this little request right now. So right now we need to click on confirm, and this is going to be loading up pretty quick. And of course we are now done. You can see attestation submit successful right now. So we need to go back and right now verify it from the official homepage. Okay, so you need to click on back, and of course you need to click right now switching to base, because now we are back to the main homepage. You need to actually sign this from the wallet. You can see the process I'm following up right now. So if you don't understand anything, feel free to rewind the video. We need to confirm this right now. So we are now switched to base network again. So right now you need to click on verify. Let me see what I'm gonna have right here. And you can see right now I just completed that one right now. Right now let me now show you guys the next thing that you actually need to do, which is of course chatting with Tia. Okay, to be able to chat with Tia, you can see we scroll down, you can see we have holder right here. This is the way we are gonna be starting the conversation. I think I will click on go right now. So this is gonna be taking us to another website, which is the Tia chat. You can see it right here above. First of all, connect our wallet, and then we chat with Tia. Okay, so right now I'll click on connect wallet. I have to select Metamask as well. So this is going to be opening my Metamask, and of course as usual I need to actually confirm this connection right here right now. And of course we are going to be proceeding to the next step right now, and you can see this is what we're going to have right here, and the connection is now requiring us to actually sign it right now. And this is what we're going to have right here guys. You know how it normally does guys. So right now we are going to be clicking on confirm right now guys, and of course the connection is going to be established guys. So right now we need to actually chat with Tia. Okay, so to chat with Tia, you can see let's now ask it a few questions. And for example, let me just press this one. Let me see what I'm gonna have right now guys. And you can see what are the most innovative layer 2 solution for Ethereum, and you can see it will review it right now, and it will provide you with all these answers right now. You can go ahead and read them up if you want to. Of course, one thing to actually note right here is that before you can be able to mint the NFT successfully, you need to actually ask this Tia, you need to ask a lot of questions right here, that is to chat with Tia. All right, so when you click over here guys on this wallet section, you can see that we have daily quotas. You need to keep on asking until you reach 20. All right, so and this also represents how many questions that you can actually ask every day. You can see daily quota refreshes at 000 universal time, and more way to get extra quotes coming soon. So coming back right now, before you can go ahead and of course get this NFT, let's now try new things like getting to complete this Twitter and of course the Discord task right here. So when you click on go right now, you are going to be taken to your profile where you need to actually do some stuff like connecting your Twitter and of course your Discord. When I scroll down, you can see that it is now connected, both of them. So right now, if you want to connect it, just click on connect, and you're going to be connecting it immediately. Let me on verify right now. This will verify that I've actually connected this. You can see right now, you can see this tax is still locked up. So right now, Discord link up, verify. I've already linked my Discord as well. So this tax is also locked up. When I scroll down again, you can see personal craft. You can see you need to set up some stuff about your profile, then you click on verify. When I click right now on this personal craft, let me now try it out. Let me see what I'm gonna have right here. So these are the simple thing that you need to do to actually position very well on this airdrop that we are talking about right here, which is the Chainbase. So let's now set up our nickname. Let's set up our nickname to something like I'll just put it like this. I like my nickname being something like this. Okay, So right now we click on confirm. You can, and right now let's go back and of course claim this right now. I will click on verify right now, and this will load up and we are good to go right now. So over here guys, this is referral. Of course over here you are going to be taken to where you can get your referral link, and of course get to link as many people as you want. You can see over here I have a totally of non-referral right here, and of course this is my referral link right here, and of course this is my our referral code. Okay, so I'll be sharing this as your to refer you guys into this project. So when I go back right now guys, let's talk about some other things. You can see when you look over here, you can see that I've actually got some stuff right here guys loading up. This actually determines my airdrop allocation guys. So over here guys, experience an node RPC service. So we click on go. Let's now, you can see create a bridge to connect with the Chainbase network through Zan node and enhance your Web3. Let's now go, click on go right now. So pay attention to this and make sure you do it accordingly so that you actually get airdrop from this. Some of these airdrop are very stressful, but we simply need to go through all of them. Okay, so the first thing you need to do right here is to simply go ahead and of course connect our wallet as usual right here. So we need to click on Metamask as usual. So we need to actually approve this connection as usual. I will fast forwarding the video right now. And right now we are now connected guys. So the first thing you need to do right here is simply, you can see we need to register an account and create an API key on Zannode. Let's now try this out. I'm actually doing this for the first time. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. So we click on create now guys. Let's see what we're gonna have right here and how we can be able to go around it. Okay, so no, these airdrop are not for kids. Some of these airdrop are gonna stress you up. You need to go through all this trauma in order for you to actually get what you are looking for. Okay, so first and first, you need to actually, when you come over here, you need to actually sign up before you can then proceed to creating your new key right here. So I will go ahead and click on sign up right now. And once I click on sign up, guys, you can see I need to, of course, input my email and my password. Then I have to agree. But to make it much easier, I need to click or continue with Gmail. Okay. So right now, I need to click on this first. Then I will click on continue with email. So this is going to be loading up pretty quick, and I need to select the email that I want to be using. And right here guys, this is what we have right here. You can see they say once you have provided the necessary information, you will be able to use the service. Okay, so right now we click on complete information right now. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. So this is gonna be asking you some couple of questions right here, and of course you are going to be getting some stuff like your name, your last name, and all that. So right now let me do it real quick. And after that, guys, this is the next thing. You need to actually click on agree, then you click on confirm. So this is going to be loading up pretty quick, and let's see what we're going to have right here, guys. So you can see over here, guys, we just created an account right here, guys. So let's take let's of course check out the next step. And of course you can see right here we have the available credit, which is 300 million. So right now click on create new key, and let's see what we're going to have right here. So when you come over here, you click on create now. So right now you need to actually input a name. So I will be inputting a name real quick. After that, guys, you can see this is your name right here. So after following this step, you need to go back to the main dashboard, and let's now verify that we have actually completed this task right now. Okay, and coming back right here now, you can see right now we have completed this task by getting to where we created our name. So right now the second one is actually to join this the Discord right here. So we click on go right now. So this is going to be taking us to the Discord where we need to join and position very well. So you can see we have now been verified successfully. So right now we need to go back to the website which is this. So we click we go back right now, we click on verify. Okay, and once you click on verify, you need to click on authorize right now. Right now guys, you can see we have now done this completely. You have this message finished right here. So we are now done. So right now return to Chainbase to claim your reward. So you click on return to Chainbase Genesis to claim your reward right now. So we are going back to the main website where we were earlier. So here we are right now. We need to click on verify. So this is going to be verifying that we have done this, and boom, we are now done with all the tasks, I guess. So there's no other task available right here except this one that says referral right here. So let's now check out what if we have any other thing available up here. You can see this is the only task available for us to complete right now. And before you can be able to get this NFT and verify it, you need to actually chat with Tia, just like I did earlier. You need to chat with him for about 2 or 3 days before you can then receive your own NFT. So that's how simple it is. So that means that we cannot receive the NFT right now, and we cannot continue from here. So it is very simple, and this is all you need to do right now to actually position very well for the Chainbase Genesis airdrop. So it is quite so simple. If you have any question, feel free to ask me on the comment section, and if you have any doubts or any confusion, feel free to rewind the video to understand it very well. So thank you for watching. If you watched the video to this point, it means that you are the real crypto enthusiast, and by grace of God, we are going to be cashing out massively from this Chainbase airdrop. So thank you for watching. Let me know what you think on the comment section, and get ready because more videos are going to drop that's going to be helping you position well for this 2025 airdrop. Thank you, and I will talk to you very soon. And from here, do have a lovely day.